Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bulfyss YS-027 electronic luggage scale. This is basically a digital weighing machine. This comes with this fish hook. The idea is that you hang the weight from this fish hook and then you lift to get the reading, weight of whatever you're measuring, that is. The model number is YS-027. It comes with backlight function, tare function, low battery overload indication. Capacity is 50 kgs. Capacity, highest capacity is 50 kilos and lowest capacity is 10 grams. And it operates on 2 AAA batteries. That's all the information we have. Let's open this and show you what's inside. So there you go. These are the components of the box. This is a user manual. Looks like a user manual. Yeah, there you go. This is the digital luggage scale user manual from Bulfyss. Everything that you want to know is in this document. We have a pair of AAA batteries over here. These are the 2 AAA batteries that you use to power this device. So let's just do that first. I'm going to take it out. And this is the electronic luggage scale in question. As you can see, it comes with a fish hook, and there's also, and you hang it through this component over here. This particular component can be retracted inside the luggage scale like this, as you can see. So immediately makes it compact and easy to carry around. This is made out of hard plastic body, by the way, hard ABS plastic body, and it's written over here 0 to 10 kgs and 10 to 50 kgs, and it's going to show you how much difference there is at each reading. Let's put the batteries in and let's try it for ourselves. I obviously don't have any weight to hang from the fish hooks. Let's turn this on first. There you go. Now we have display. You will notice that there's a LCD display over here. It shows you. You can change the units by pressing this unit button. Now we are currently at pounds. Now we are at ounces, and now we're back to kilos. And this is the tare button over here as well, which also gives you the same. Okay, not really doing anything right now. I obviously don't have a weight to show you how this works, but what I can do is pull on this hook. So the moment I pull on this hook, you will see that it shows how much kilos of pressure I'm exerting on it. Currently it's anywhere between 5 to 7 kilos of pressure that I'm exerting on this hook. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bulfyss YS-027 electronic luggage scale. Thank you for watching.